We're married and they sleep here.
So that is a nest
That
from the
is
weaver
the nest. Yeah.
So the male will actually weave this nest.
Yeah.
Look at that. So it has a long neck, and then the female decides whether she wants to pair with the male depending on the kind of nest that he builds. Correct?
Yeah. It is called weaver bird. Weaver.
And we have plenty of here. Wow. Thank you. Look at this weaver nest.
Yeah, you can see inside here.
So when is the season? When is the season? So these are broken because the long neck.
Actually, the
No?
dry nest, they don't need it. That's why it is they left. So normally the green one they use.
Oh, look, and it's in one little red. Oh, they put it here. Okay, wow. It's beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. Nature. So who teaches these birds to make this absolutely wonderful nest? The weaver birds. Look at the weave. It's actually woven. Can you see the detail? It's actually woven in. Actually woven. Mother Nature at its best. Here we are in Bagan.
Yeah, you will have a ticket from the hotel. It is 50% off.
Look at that pattern. Look. That is the entrance to one of these. Hope you enjoy it.